Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by placing 6 large eggs in a single layer in a pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then reduce to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes for firm yolks. Transfer eggs immediately to an ice water bath and chill for 5 minutes to stop cooking and ease peeling. Tap each egg gently and peel under running water to remove shells cleanly, then pat dry and set aside for chopping. Roughly chop the 6 peeled eggs into bite-sized pieces and place them in a medium mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons chopped celery for crunch. Stir in 1 tablespoon chopped chives for a mild onion note, and add 1 tsp white vinegar to brighten flavors. Use a rubber spatula to fold ingredients gently until the yolks break up slightly and the mixture stays chunky rather than smooth. Taste and adjust texture. A chunky salad holds better on bread or lettuce. Finish the egg mayo salad by seasoning with a pinch of salt and 1/4 tsp black pepper, then taste and adjust seasoning as needed. If desired, add 1/2 tsp smoked paprika or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Serve immediately on whole grain bread, croissant, or a bed of lettuce and garnish with extra chives or paprika. To store, transfer to an airtight container and refrigerate. Use within 3 days. Discard any leftovers left at room temperature over 2 hours to maintain food safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.